Welcome to Palmie Colors! Today we're drawing a cute farm girl, step by step. Then we'll color her with bright, happy colors. And at the end, Palmie's magic will bring her into the real world! Power! Starry magic! Hello, Watermelon. Why are you smiling today?
Because it's a sunny day, and my friend Cherry is here with me. We love spending time together.
Watermelon, who is your best friend?
My best friend is Cherry. She's small and sweet, and she always makes me laugh.
What do you like to do for fun?
Cherry and I like rolling around the garden and playing under the sunshine.
Are you ready to visit the real world?
Yes! Cherry and I can't wait to explore and have fun together.
Palmie Power! Starry magic! Make sure to watch our next video too.